You little mother, coming in my fucking yard, you bastard. Hey, you fucking long too. Hey, nice and long. What did you eat? Only if you eat I can catch you. And where are your fucking friends? Hey, where's your mother? Because I'm gonna slice you now. So where is she? Tell me more. What kind of head do you have? What the fuck is that? You bastard. I was fucking cleaning today, your mothers. Now you'll come out. You long mother child. You fucking scary bastard. Serpent. Jesus. I have faith in you. These things have no power over us. Can't take my eyes off you.